Yeah.
Shadow on the track.
50 in this bitch, yeah. Choose your side, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Choose your side, yeah. Rest in peace to the friends that died, yeah. Choose your side, yeah. Choose your side, yeah. Rest in peace to the friends that died, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Choose your side, yeah. Choose your side, yeah. Rest in peace to the friends that died, yeah. Never got to stay alive, but I still be drinking this job. No time to choose sides. It's either ride or die. Live life in the sky. Don't doubt that. Don't even ask why, babe. You too shy. I can't deny what is mine. Yeah, I wasn't lying. So choose your side. So choose your side. Yeah, choose your side. Rest in peace to the friends that died. Yeah, choose your side. Yeah, choose your side. Rest in peace to the friends that died. Choose your side.
Okay. You know, niggas be talking about all this bullshit about the bloods and stuff, but I'm a real crip, man. I do what needs to be done. I stand in the streets. I do what I must do. Nah, if someone must step up to me, I'll put him in the grave. You understand me? I'm a crip gang member, man. You know, fuck with that. And if you were blood, fuck you and your mama, man. And your father and your whole family. You know why? You know how many Crips we lost, no? Now in this battle, that's far from over, no? There's gonna be more bloods that are gonna be killed. I'm telling you now.